Peekaboo Artic, animal learning for kids. Hi everyone and welcome to the Artic. Today we're looking for Arctic animals. I wonder where they are. Did you hear that? It sounded just like an Arctic animal. Let's say peekaboo. Maybe he'll come out.
3, 2, 1.
Peekaboo. What animal is that? It's an Arctic fox. In summer, this fox has a brown coat to blend in with the rocky land, but in winter it turns snow white. To stay cozy, it curls up into a tight little ball, like a donut in the snow. With incredible hearing, it can detect animals moving under the snow. Those warm, furry paws act like tiny snow boots, perfect for walking on icy ground. When the Arctic fox is really cold, it stays safe and warm in its cozy den dug beneath the snow. Look over here! I found another one. Do you see that? What animal is that? It's a reindeer. Big wide hooves help the reindeer walk through deep snow and even swim through chilly rivers. Both boy and girls grow antlers, which makes them extra special. Reindeers travel in large herds across the tundra to find food. They dig through snow to find moss and frozen plants to munch on. Some folks say their noses can even turn red in the cold. Best of all, reindeer are famous for helping Santa Claus pull his sleigh across the sky on Christmas Eve. I think I see an animal just behind those trees. What animal is that? It's a polar bear. Meet the polar bear, the biggest bear in the world. Its white-looking fur is actually clear, and it has black skin underneath to stay warm. Big, strong paws help it swim across freezing oceans like a paddling champion. Polar bears love resting on ice floes and looking for tasty seals. A baby polar bear is called a cub, and it stays with its mom for about 2 years. This bear is built for snow, ice, and chilly winds. He's the king of the Arctic. There's something in there. Let's say peekaboo. Maybe he'll come out. Peekaboo. What animal is that? It's a musk ox. This shaggy animal with long hair is a musk ox. It looks like it's wearing a big cozy blanket. When it's cold, the musk oxen huddle together in groups to keep warm. If danger comes close, the grown-ups form a circle around the little musk ox for protection. Musk ox use their strong horns and loud stomps to scare away predators. Their thick fur touches the ground, so even their legs can stay warm. Musk oxen are perfectly happy in snowy, freezing weather. My map says there should be another animal. I wonder where he is. What animal is that? It's an Arctic wolf. The Arctic wolf walks through snow with thick fur that keeps it warm, even in blizzards. These wolves live in big groups called packs, like one big family. They use howls to talk to each other across the icy land. Working as a team, they hunt for food and take care of baby pups. Sharp eyes and great hearing help them find animals hiding in the snow. Brave and clever, the Arctic wolf always sticks with its pack. You're doing a great job looking for Arctic animals. Now we'll go to the ice floes to see what animals live there. Look, an iceberg. Welcome to the ice floes. Did you hear that? It sounded like an Arctic animal. I wonder if we say peekaboo, maybe he'll come out.
3, 2, 1.
Peekaboo. What animal is that? It's a beluga whale. This happy white whale is called a beluga whale, and it loves to sing underwater. It makes all kinds of sounds like whistles, clicks, and squeaks, earning its name the canary of the sea. Belugas love to swim and splash and even blow bubbles just for fun. Let's look for more animals. What animal is that? It's a walrus. Look at that big walrus with giant tusks. Those help it climb onto the ice. Its wrinkly face is covered in whiskers that help it find food underwater. Walruses are huge and sometimes as heavy as a car. They love to lie close together on ice floes in big, noisy groups. When it's time to rest, they flop onto the ice for a chilly nap. Did you hear that? Let's say peekaboo. Peekaboo. What animal is that? It's a puffin. Puffins look like they're wearing tiny tuxedos. So fancy. Their bright orange beaks shine in summer but fade in winter. Puffins can fly through the air and swim underwater with their wings. They live in burrows underground instead of building nests in trees. With their clever beaks, they can carry a whole line of fish at once, sometimes up to 10. Baby puffins are called pufflings. Peekaboo sea animals. Let's learn about ocean animals. Hi, welcome to the ocean. We have lots to see and learn today. I wonder what animals we'll find in the ocean. If we say peekaboo, maybe it'll come out.
3, 2, 1.
Peekaboo. What animal is that? It's an octopus. Octopuses have 3 hearts and blue blood. They're super smart and can open jars and even solve puzzles. Did you hear that? It sounded like an animal. What animal is that? It's a jellyfish. Jellyfish are 95% water and have no brain, hearts, or bones. And some species can even glow in the dark. Because they don't swim very well, they simply float on ocean currents and catch snacks with their tentacles. Hear that? Let's say peekaboo. What animal is that? It's a moray eel. Moray eels have 2 sets of jaws, one to catch their snacks and the other to help them swallow. They hide in rocks and can lunge quickly to catch their snacks. Their slimy skin helps them move quickly through tight spaces. I think I hear something in that seaweed. What animal is that? It's a crab!
Hooray!
Crabs have 10 legs and most walk sideways. They use their big claws for defense and sometimes to catch their snacks. Some crabs even breathe air and water. Did you know that there are crabs that can even live in trees? I think there's something in that seaweed. What do you think? What animal is that? It's a seagull!
Hooray!
Seagulls are special and sometimes noisy birds that live near the ocean. Seagulls can drink seawater because they have a special gland that makes it safe. They're super smart and can even use tools. Should we say peekaboo?
3, 2, 1.
Peekaboo, come on out. What animal is that? It's a sea turtle.
Hooray!
Sea turtles have been around for over 100 million years. Some species can hold their breath for over 5 hours and travel thousands of miles to lay eggs where they were born. I think there's a sea animal. What animal is that? It's a shark!
Hooray!
Sharks have no bones, just cartilage. Their teeth are constantly replaced, and they can smell a single drop of blood from miles away. Some can even go into a trance if it's flipped upside down. That's like being hypnotized. I see a sea animal hiding over there. What animal is that? It's an axolotl.
Hooray!
Axolotls are called walking fish, but they're really amphibians. They can regrow limbs, heart tissue, and even parts of their brain. Scientists love studying axolotls. I think there's something in there. Let's say peekaboo. What animal is that? It's a stingray.
Hooray!
Stingrays have flat bodies and swim by flapping their sides like wings. Their stinger is on their tail, which gives them the name stingray, but they only use it to defend themselves. Did you hear that? I wonder what it is. What animal is that? It's a sailfish.
Hooray!
Did you know sailfish are the fastest fish in the ocean? That's right, they can swim up to 68 miles per hour. I think I see a sea animal. What animal is that? It's a hermit crab.
Hooray!
Hermit crabs don't grow their own shells. They borrow snail shells and move into bigger ones as they grow. Some even line up and trade shells in big groups. They're so good at sharing. Do you see something? What animal is that? It's a flounder.
Hooray!
Flounders are flatfish with both eyes on one side of their body. They start their life looking normal, but then one eye moves to the other side as they get bigger. I wonder what's inside. Let's say peekaboo. 3, 2, 1. Peekaboo! What animal is that? It's a blue tang.
Hooray!
The blue tang, like Dory from Finding Nemo, can play dead to escape from predators. They're known for their bright blue colors and sharp scalpel-like tail. I think I see something. Peekaboo! What animal is that? It's a lobster. Lobster can live for over 50 years and have teeth in their stomachs, not their mouth. They can grow black claws and even taste food with their legs. Shh! I think there's something back there. What animal is that? It's a leafy sea dragon. Leafy sea dragons look like floating seaweed. These incredible camouflage fish drift with the currents and are related to seahorses. Many of the boys take care of the babies. Now it's time to leave the ice floes and say bye-bye to our aquatic animals as we head deep in the Arctic. Let's look over there, all the way through the snow-covered trees. Welcome to the Arctic forest. There should be some more animals. Do you know where they are? I think I see one in that bush. What animal is that? It's a snowy owl. The snowy owl is big, fluffy, and snow white under glowing yellow eyes. It can turn its head almost all the way around. Whoa! Instead of hiding in trees, it likes to sit on the ground to watch for food. When flying, it's super quiet, perfect for sneaking up on animals. Boy owls are extra white, while girls have dark spots in their feathers. We're finding so many animals. What animal is that? It's a moose. Moose are the biggest deer in the world. Just look at those long legs. Their giant antlers can spread wider than your arms. They love munching on twigs, leaves, and even plants from the bottom of lakes. Swimming is no problem for moose. They're excellent swimmers. Their tall legs help them walk through deep snow like it's no big deal. Baby moose are called calves, and they can stand up as soon as they're born. Hello, Arctic animals. Brr, it's getting cold. What animal is that? It's an Arctic hare. Arctic hare are fast, fluffy, and built for bouncing across the snow. They're much larger than the rabbits you see near your house. The Arctic hare turns white in winter and gray or brown in summer. Its strong back legs help it hop and dash away from danger. Arctic hares often snuggle in groups to stay warm when it's super cold. Even in the freezing winter, they love to play and explore. There's something in there. Let's say peekaboo. Maybe he'll come out. Peekaboo. What animal is that? It's a stoat. This tiny animal is called a stoat. Don't let its size fool you. It's a snow ninja with a black-tipped tail. Its coat turns white in winter and brown in summer, so it can blend in any season. They can wiggle into tiny spaces to find food and stay safe. They have great noses and can smell their snacks underneath the snow. While it may look cute, this little creature is a mighty hunter.